here we are, the mechanic looking at James's bike. How are we looking? Hey mate, what's your name?
Robert Winter.
Where do you work?
No, I own a shop in town.
Oh, okay, sorry mate.
Hand with them.
Robert Winter.
Yes, sir.
I'm Justin. Nice to meet you, mate.
Where you from?
Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the fuck are you asking for? You do
Fucking crocodile Dundee. Say, go get a pie.
Go get a pie.
There we go. Hey, yeah.
We got it right.
He got it right.
You know the phone charge?
Yeah, it's up to 35, 40%. All right.
That'll get us through the rest of the day.
Yeah, all right. Hopefully it's fixed. I was right though, the throttle body wires. Was it the throttle body wires or?
Well, the problem is in reality it can be here.
Yeah,
here.
See, when I pulled this off, this wasn't on properly.
Yep.
Right? And they said about the pins.
Yeah, but usually it's this wire here.
Yeah.
It's cracked back inside somewhere, or it's cracked right in there.
Yeah, and he said to wiggle it forward.
I did. Yeah, I did that too.
You did all that, yeah.
But the problem is Harley made them too short.
That's right, yeah, and you pull them, they stretch.
Yep.
And that's what I did before, because remember it worked fine. It idle fine.
How far you guys got to go?
Sturgis.
It's going to be on the back of the trailer.
We can pick him up on the side of the road.
Oh!
Yeah, no, he's not with us. No, it's all right. So that'll be your problem, that wire, like I said.
Well, it might be. Usually that's it.
Because that's what you played with, didn't you?
Yeah, but see in here,
But Jamie, he pulled it all apart.
The whole thing?
No, not that.
Okay, but see in here, there's a motor too.
Yeah.
And when they go out, so you're in here, or the ECM. There's nothing really anybody can do for you, honestly.
Yeah.
There isn't. Nobody's gonna have that. And wiggling the wire, like if I do this. I'll tell you when to press that button. Press the button. Yeah, it'd be a while of kayaking it. But see, nobody's gonna have that.
Do you reckon yeah.
They're not gonna have an ECM. I wouldn't throw that at it. It's 400 something bucks.
Yeah.
You waste your money. And on this gear, I'll be honest with you, they probably don't even have any. Sorry, man. Just being honest.
So what's the best thing you can...
Where you gotta get? Where's your house?
Dallas, Texas.
Go back home. Yeah. I'm just being real. There's no shops, right? I know all the shops.
Yeah.
They're all good shops, but you know nobody's gonna be able to do anything for you today. I mean, diagging it, open. I don't have a throttle body, and I don't think it's. I think it's both coincides with each other. I could be wrong.
Yeah.
It could be just a wire.
Yeah.
But
it's funny how it playing with that sort of got it right and then it clicks back on again.
try it again. No, up one.
Could it be did you touch anything under the seat?
Yeah, we disconnected the battery.
The battery?
So it could be under the seat.
Well, it could be, but there's nothing here. It would start and stuff if there was, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, true.
Yeah, I'm sorry, man.
So what do you think is the best thing, the main problem?
We don't know.
I don't have time to sit and diag it, but what I would do is I would take it to a shop back home.
Yeah.
That's just the realistic answer. Sorry, man.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, no problem.
Take it easy, right? Say, go get a pie again.
Go get a pie again.
There we go. All right, so we're unloading Jamie's bike, and yeah, all right. Sorry, mate.
Yeah, I was hoping. I'm surprised they wouldn't even look.
Yeah.
I mean, I look. I would just tell somebody, hey, listen, I mean, I'll look at the side, take a look at it. You know, one of the guys in the back. That's pretty
Well, they
shitty.
wouldn't even come out and look.
I know, that's fucking.
Fucking Harley Davidson wouldn't even come out and look at Jamie's bike. Not even look.
I'm telling you, man, I got nothing good to say about this fucking place. That's terrible.
That is shit. Harley Davidson, Wichita, Kansas, yeah?
That's a,
Harley Davidson.
you know he's 500 miles away from fucking home. Assholes. That's unreal. I'll be honest with you, that's ridiculous.
So, we've trailered Jamie to Wichita, Arkansas, and they didn't even come out and look at his bike. It was a bloke in the crowd who came out and looked at his bike and basically said, yeah, all right. So you want to get on it?
No, I'm just gonna pull it up. We'll give. Oh, that's fine.
You're right.
You're on? Just on. Turn the wheel this way a little bit. There you go. Okay. Now straighten it up. Just straighten the button. There you go. Keep going down. Straight in. One more. One more. Yeah, that's how that opens.
All right, mate. Nice meeting you. Sorry, Rick.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Thank you.
No worries. Now I've got to find the bobhead boys.
Start, but it won't do much more than that. And we went to service, and they said that they're too busy. I get busy, but a service tech might be able to. I mean, the bike starts. I just kind of find it kind of shitty to not even take a quick look at it, you know, to see. It might be something simple. If it's something that's too much, then okay, you'll have to get a U-Haul. But if it's something simple.
Right? And videos. There is a need for, can you just speak to my sales manager, my GM, if you like, he's inside.
Is he going to make a call and say, yeah, let's take a look at that bike for him?
Yeah. Did you speak to the manager in service?
Yeah, we spoke to the manager there and he
The guy with a big beard.
didn't even come out. It was a bloke from the public who came up and assisted us.
We're on our way to Sturgis. I didn't even know this guy from shit.
Yeah.
I took a guy from him and we drove him 100 miles to your Harley Davidson. And then we get here and it's like, fuck you, go have a pie.
Yeah, go have a pie. Yeah, a shitty pie.
Right, listen. If you're not gonna help,
guy out, then I don't really want to book. I don't really want to advertise Twister if they won't even help this guy out, you know?
Yeah. Let me go find out.
I don't want to be
what's going on.
associated.
Good on you, Damon. That's good.
They want to take some pictures, right?
Don't take anything.
Damien just said we don't want to be involved with you.
Don't take any pictures.
Yeah, no.
Nothing.
Well, Damien just said, no, good on you. That's why we're bobbed. Respect fellow riders.
I'm just unimpressed.
They didn't, you know, they didn't even come out.
Yeah, very unimpressed.
They didn't even come out and look at his bike.
There was some other guy who doesn't even work here. That's,
Yeah. In the crowd, came up.
sell him another bike or something. Do something. Maybe the guy will trade his bike in. Fuck you. You know.
Hey, there he is. Hey, that's him. Oh, mate. We just spoke to the manager. We said it's shit service here and that. They didn't even come out and look at his bike here.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for taking a minute.
Yeah.
Are they taking them in?
Nah.
Oh, there's a girl. These guys have a basically, the guys over there, they have this business called Bobhead.
Yeah.
It's growing super, super fast. As we travel around the country, almost every single one of the Harley Davidson dealerships are wanting to put their their product in there. He just literally told the lady, I don't want to put my product in here. Because they would.
Got a sticker?
I can't believe they wouldn't even send a tech out to take a peek and do what you did.
Got a sticker?
That's when it's Sturgis time. You have all hands on deck when you work for Harley, and that's what you're doing. Is you're prepping for people
I
breaking
get
out.
that. Sell him another fucking bike. Maybe the guy will trade his bike in. Do something.
Got anything? A little key ring or anything?
Hey,
All right.
what are you guys called?
Bobbed.
Yeah. You gotta go no matter what.
All right, no worries. You get a picture?
Yeah, I got it.
Beautiful, mate. Take
right,
care,
man.
mate.
You guys have
Thanks
fun.
very much. Thanks for your time.
Yep.
See you, mate. You got a picture? That's the customer that helped. So we're going? Fuck it, let's go. We're going? All right, let's go. I'll run back to the truck, all right? No, mate. There we go. Nudie girls. Look at that. Fuck Harley Davidson, Wichita, Arkansas. They're shit. We just trailered a bloke here. They didn't even come out to look at his bike. Bad publicity for Harley Davidson, Arkansas. Didn't even come out and even sell him a bike. Maybe he could have traded it or something. See? Harley Davidson's gone fucking woke. Poor bastards on the side of the road. We don't even know the bloke from shit, and we help him. All right, see you later. Let's go get a pie. What's your name?
Leanne.
Leanne. So go get a pie.
What?
Go get a pie. Say go get a pie.
Go get a pie?
There you go. At Burger King.
Get a pie at Burger King. Okay.
What do you want?
The Italian Royal Crispy Chicken meal, please.
Sure. Do you want a small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Okay.
So two of them.
Okay.
No shit, I just got the burger on the sauce.
Well, tell the lady what you want. That's the lady.
I'm a lady, I promise.
The crispy chicken, the Italian one. Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, that's free.
What do you want?
Hi, Karen.
I will do a medium number 9, please.
Okay.
And tomato.
Sure.
What do you want, David?
Let's take just the bacon Swiss Royal Christmas sandwich. Just the sandwich.
Just a sandwich?
And I'll get the bacon cheese Whopper, please. Medium. Thank you. Get away.
Are you guys eating here?
Yep.
Yeah. 71.76.
Yep. That'll do. Tap.
Thank you.
Tap. That approved? Yep.
Yep.
Thank
There
you.
go. You're welcome.
No, you're right. No, that's right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Say Bobhead boys.
Bobhead boys.
That's this. See?
Hi.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Justin.
No worries.
So where are you really from?
Well, I'm from Australia.
Yes.
Right, so I'm from Australia. And Damo, Seb and their father Paulie are from the UK. And David and Shep are from Tampa, Florida. So we've ridden all the way from Tampa, Florida, and we're going to Sturgis.
I know, I want to go so bad.
Yeah.
I would go so bad. In a heartbeat. In a heartbeat.
We've got 2 cups. Right, you going?
Fucking piss.
What? Tastes like piss. What's it taste like, Seb? Seb's drink tastes like piss. All right. So, what are you going to do about Harley Davidson in, where are we? Wichita, Arkansas, Wichita.
Yeah, I'm just gonna post something right now, brother. That's it.
That's it.
Yep.
Would you go to that dealership?
No.
If they rectify themselves, would you go to the dealership again?
No.
No? So one chance and that's it?
That's not it. It's that whoever owns that place
That's right, that's what I said.
trains the managers
That's
and
right.
trains the other people. So
Lead by example, and obviously the leadership there is not a good example.
the fact that they could allow somebody who was stranded on the side of the road to stay stranded, not offer any type of support or help at all, it's horrible.
Yeah, it is.
It's un-American. I'm not even American.
What are you?
The king, apparently.
You're the king. Damon's the king?
No, he's a pretender. I'm the only one.
Oh, right. The king of what?
Not much.
Did Damo show you the picture that I sent to him that on WhatsApp? Hold this, I'll show him.
Is it recording still?
Yeah, I did a picture, right? Of the 4 of us. This one. Here, look. See if you like this. Look at that.
Coming to America.
Me, Paulie, Seb, Damo. Coming to America. See what I did? Go get a pie.
You won't be able to change the channel name again now and set it that much.
Yeah, it's grouse. Everyone loves it. So we're going now, and Leanne, that's it. Leanne served us our burgers and chicken, and it was beautiful.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
You too.
Look after yourself. All the best. See ya. Look, watch the door. Here, quick, grab it. So smoking again. You smoking, Seb?
Put right down, wanna? I'm on holiday. One off.
You gonna smoke all of that?
No, save you.
I had a tray one time and I had my keys on it. And, yeah, there's the napkin or a little towel was on top of the keys going like this. And just as I do it, I went like this and it just sitting here dumpster diving for a set of keys.
Going through everyone's food.
Actually, you know what? They were pretty cool, but I told them what I had to do, so I pulled it out, and then one of the guys came out and said, I got some gloves, so get it for me.
So we've been to Burger King. Hey, Burger King. What? Thanks, mate. All right, no worries, mate. All right. So we're walking around checking bikes. You left your lights on again, David.
No, I leave it on the like over here. See,
Oh, okay.
on auxiliary.
Yeah.
Because it stays connected to the phone. Sometimes it'll take like.
You know your phone's been coming up in the truck sometimes.
Yeah, I know.
I had Cindy talking to me. She's going, hello, hello, and I said, wrong person. Oh, she said, just hang up. You want a pop? You want a pop? No. All right. You ready? Where's the key for this? For the fob? Have you got the fob for this on you? I just want to see if the screen's all the way down. Come closer. Because I don't think this. Oh, it is all the way down.
Yeah, it's over. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
We're good.
All right. Here we go. Yeah, I don't need any sun cream. No sun cream for me.
Yeah. Get in the van, you.
Yeah, I'll get in the van. Hey? Change your helmets? You gonna change your helmets? Oh, lovely.
Disgusting.
It was, wasn't it? That was disgusting. All right. How many more Ks we got to do? Kilometres or miles? How many more? 900. 900?
What is that? That's the only amount we've got to do is 900 k's.
900 Ks. Oh, got to get in the truck. Got to adjust the air conditioning. Got to adjust the air conditioning just so. Got to get in the truck. Got to adjust the air conditioning just so.
Yeah, make it nice and cold.
And then find a radio station.
Nice and cold. I got the radio, that don't bother me.
And they have to adjust my comfy seat. So, how the weather changes. Have a look at this. Blue skies. Fucking nice, man. Look at that. Okay, pretty good. All right, so a little bit of an update. We got stuck in the rain. I didn't get wet, I was driving. We picked up a broken down rider. We picked up Jamie, broken down rider. We put his bike on the trailer and took it to Wichita, Arkansas Harley Davidson dealership, and the service mechanic didn't even come out. No one came out to help him. While that was happening, the manager of the dealership was talking to Damon and Seb and Paulie, and they wanted to do photos. Then David and I came back and said, you know, they didn't even help him while the manager was there. Damon then turned around and said, well, I don't want any photos taken unless you're going to fix his bike. I don't want to be associated to a dealership that doesn't help you know, broken down riders or anyone for that matter. I mean, they could have come out, looked at his bike. They didn't even send a salesman out. Maybe he could have traded his bike in and picked up something else. You know, they didn't do anything. They said, oh, we can't do anything till Monday. It's Saturday. His first time on the way to Sturgis, and that's what he got. That's pretty piss poor. Harley Davidson, Arkansas, you know, Virginia, Arkansas, Wichita, Arkansas. Alright, so, on that note, go and get a pie. And Wichita, Arkansas, you can have a pooey pie, alright? We don't have enough space, if you know what I mean. You know, the wind and stuff, they're useless. Yeah. And that we actually should have what you've got in parts of America, which is nuclear energy. Yeah. Technology's come a long way. We're not going to have another Chernobyl, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, jeez. But they are big, but the problem is with the service time, they can only run
for a certain amount of time.
And then they have to be reserviced. Yeah. So the costing.
Get one quick picture. Here, I'm going to stand in front of it. Just scale. That's good right there, that's good. Jeez.
But they're big. But the servicing on them.
Yeah.
This is the windmill with propeller.
Yeah. It's one of them. There's three of them here.
Yeah. Look at the size of it. Look at this length. Look at the size of this thing. I'm not even at the end, and they're all the way there. That's a windmill. There's 4 of them. There's another one over there. Yeah, they're parked up, ready to go. All right, quick stop. I'm now riding. Yeah. Whoa! Run the bike! David tried to start his bike, and I've got the key. Hey Damon, I fucking totally forgot about that.
It was fine while you were right there.
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit, and then like, oh yeah.
Fucking hell, that's funny. So I'm riding the new Road Glide that Damon got. My opinion of the bike? I don't like it. I don't like it. The wind gets in your face and I just don't like it. Not for me. I like a street glide.
You like that?
No. I've never liked the road glides. For that very reason that you got on. How you going? Where you heading to?
Oh, we're just out for a ride.
Oh, yeah?
I wish it was Sturgis, but it's not.
Oh, we're heading to Sturgis. I'm Justin.
Hi, Justin. I'm Cheryl.
Nice to meet you. Nice
My
ride.
son-in-law, Caleb.
Caleb. Justin.
Bogle.
How are you, mate? Yeah. They're the Bobhead boys and that. Paulie, Seb, Shep. We're all heading to Sturgis. We just left Tampa, Florida.
Holy cow, nice.
Yeah, nice bike.
Nice.
Nice bike.
Thank you.
How long have you been riding for?
Oh, I don't know, 10, 15 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's
My
good.
husband decided he didn't want to go for a ride, and my son-in-law says, I'll go.
That's
All right,
grouse.
let's go.
That's grouse.
Right on.
Yeah.
So you're on your way to Sturgis.
Yeah, we're on our way.
Nice.
And then we're spending about a week there. And then we ride from there to Chicago.
Nice.
Yeah, this will be on YouTube. Is that all right?
I don't care, that's fine.
Say,
Nice.
go get a pie.
You what?
Say, go get a pie.
Go get a pie.
Yeah, that's me. That's my YouTube channel.
Nice. Go get a pie?
Yeah, go get a pie.
Where you
JB,
from?
Australia.
I can tell.
Yeah.
I figured so.
They're from the UK.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we met here. I'm mates with them. They came to Australia. We struck up a friendship. So they were coming here because of their clothing brand
Absolutely.
and that. And then they
I
asked.
like that.
Yeah, it's good.
I like that.
They make different shirts. They make long sleeves, everything. Check out the website. Go to Bobhead.
I think our Harley shop has those too.
All right.
Don't they have that in the shop?
Well, that's what Damon's trying to do at the moment. Damon, aren't you? This is Cheryl. Cheryl?
Yes.
She's seen your gear.
Is Bobhead in the Harley shop?
It's coming to Bears Barracuda, Black Widow in Florida. Yeah, hoping to roll it out across the US.
Nice to meet you guys. You drive safe, okay?
And Clinton,
Have a
was
safe
it?
ride.
Caleb.
Caleb?
Damon, Seb. All right.
You guys have a
You
safe
take care.
ride.
Be safe.
Care.
Good seeing you.
You too.
What a view, mate. Hey? Look at that. See that? Look at that. Yeah, that's it. What a view, mate. What a view. Oh, look, there's a train. Gotta get this. Look, big train. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's America, mate. Right there. That's America, baby! A coal train. Yes! Fucking woo! Go get a pie! Fucking coal train. With a fucking beautiful cloud. Look at that cloud. Look at the coal train. Oh, yes. Look at that. Fucking grouse. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Fucking grouse is still going. Oh, look, another diesel. Big locomotive. Oh, look at it. Fucking grouse. With this view, oh, look at that. How can you go wrong? Look at that. Look at that. Hey? Look at that. That's fucking beautiful. Oh, yes. Look at that. Oh, look. It just gets better. Have a look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh. Beautiful. There's the guys. Alright. Take it easy. What a view. Look at the orchards. Look at the cornfield. All corn. Alright, see people. So tell me, what do you think of this place, David?
Beautiful.
What do you think of it, Seb?
That was one of my best roads Sunday.
Was it like God's country?
Yeah, it had every, pretty much. I could take a screenshot of that.
And you could sell it for $1,000.
And I could use an eyedropper on it, and I could get every single colour.
Yeah.
Amazing.
It was unreal. What do you reckon, Paulie?
That says it in one picture.
There you go.
Pretty good. Middle of nowhere.
What do you reckon of the road, Paulie?
Yeah.
Brilliant. What do you think?
I don't think it gets me in trouble.
No, that's road.
Oh, it's nice.
I don't think.
I don't think it gets me in trouble.
It's not Top Gun, mate. Don't think, just do. This is a beautiful country. So we're at a 24-hour service station. Right. We have tornado and cyclone warnings all around us. Have a look at this place. Just look at this place. Does it get any better? Hey? Just need a pie. See me nose? I burnt me fucking nose and scratched it when I put the mask on. Hey? Beautiful country. I'm smoking. Have a look at it. Nice Porsche. Look where we're going. Look at that. That's where we come from. Look at that. I see the lightning. Oh yes, we got the lightning. We got the lightning. Oh, look at that. What a lightning show. Come on, do it again. Did it do it? Come on. Go get a pie. Go get a pie. There we go. Go get a pie. There. Go get a pie. Yes, there we are. Oh, that was big. Hey? Oh, the lightning show. That's what I've been filming over. Oh, what's that? What was that? Oh, fireflies.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, look.
Over there. Towards it.
Oh, look. Oh, right there. There. Look at him. Look at him. See the fireflies? See him? There you are.
Got them in Australia.
Yeah, we got fireflies, but not. You got to go right up.
Right up in the hills.
Yeah. Look at these fireflies. They're beautiful. Oh, look at them here. You see them? Look at this. See? There you go. There's one there. I got one in my hand. I had one on my hand. One landed on my hand. How are we? Right, so we're in the middle of absolutely hillbilly country. As you can see, this is the hotel. Clean the lens. That's better. See? It's far from the Ritz. Anyway, found a place for me gorilla mask. So we just went to Trotter's Hose and Goes for pizza because everything else is closed. It was a gas station, and while I was there, some of the town's favourite came in. I'd rather do a bull, you know what I'm saying. Seb's in there having a poo at the moment. Yeah. We've got 450 miles to go tomorrow. Everyone's gone to bed. I'm going to have a shower. I'll show you the hotel room. You'll like the hotel room. It's good. It's good. So let's... Number 21. This is the hotel room. Here we go. Seb's there. I'm over here. That must have been where the last shooting was. They've got bullet holes, don't they? Hey? Oh yeah, what's out here? Lovely view. So, bed's alright. Oh yeah. Okay. Variables there. Got a TV. Turn the telly on. Yep. Telly works. That's great. Okay, we won't be pulling on that. It's going to come on. What? Oh, they just have normal telly? Channels. What?
It's the first one is to inspire others. This is probably the most difficult job for a leader. This can only be possible.
I was stuck. Unresolved depression symptoms were in my way. I needed more from my antidepressant. Vraylar helped give it a lift.
Adding Vraylar to an antidepressant is clinically proven to help relieve renal depression symptoms better than an antidepressant alone. And in Vraylar clinical studies, most saw no substantial impact on
They should just go and get a pie.
elderly dementia patients have increased risks of death or stroke, report unusual changes in behavior or suicidal thoughts. Antidepressants can increase these in children and young adults, report fever, stiff muscles, or confusion, as these may be life-threatening, or uncontrolled muscle movements, which may be permanent. High blood sugar, which can lead to coma or death, weight gain, and high cholesterol may occur. Movement dysfunction and restlessness are common side effects. Stomach and sleep issues, dizziness, increased appetite, and fatigue are also common. Side effects may not appear for several weeks.
I didn't have to change my treatment.
Fucking
What?
hell.
If you are unable...
Shut up. I'll show you the bathroom. Turn the fan on. Oh, I didn't know where the fan was. Of course not. Why would you say? It's the knob on the side there. Yeah.
Well, in the UK, the fan comes on when you turn the light on.
Right. So, are you happy that you're in Broken Bone, or would you rather prefer to be in Brokeback Mountain?
Brokeback Mountain, I think.
Really?
Fuck.
Hey?
Yeah.
What sort of strippers do you like, Seb? Male strippers or females? Or chicks with dicks? Go and get a pie. Go and get a pie. Go and get a pie. Woo! Have a look at the weather. He's fucking brought the weather with you. You brought the weather with you. New buddy. Was that alright? Yeah, just hold that. All you need to do is just hold that. Thank you.
You bet.
Oh, sit on it?
No.
No.
Oh yeah, you can. We've had up to 8 people.
Oh, can you?
Yep, it went off.
Woohoo! This is my new mate, Diney. The new Harley. Thank you. Thanks very much.
You bet.
That's my new daughter, the new Harley.
Hey, you gotta act me up.
That's it. That's my new mate, Diney, the new Harley Davidson. Diney! Thanks very much for that. All right, coffee time. Do you sell little dinosaurs? Oh, damn. Yeah, just yeah, you just pull it and there's the cream over there, push on it. What's your name?
Sherry Faye.
Sorry?
Sherry Faye.
Sherry Faith. I'm Justin.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks, mate. Thanks before. Yeah. Sorry, hang on. There. Just push on that. Push.
French vanilla.
Yeah. Do you sell any key rings? All sold out? Have you sold out?
No, let's see.
She's going to help me. Hopefully. I want to get one.
That's about all I got. Is the husband.
There you go, mate. No, and just my coffee. Seth, I've got one.
$3.41, darling.
Seth?
Your coffee is 95 cents.
Hang on, I've got a $5 in here, I think.
Yeah.
Oh.
What's this one?
He's having a coffee as well.
All right. 5 out of yours.
He's going to take it.
4 and a nickel.
Thank you very much.
He's having a large coffee.
Seb, is it a large one?
Just small?
I'll leave that there.
I think I'm in a hurry.
95 cents. That's what coffee's got.
Say, go get a pie.
Go get a pie.
There we go. Thank you.
You bet.
Is that what you're saying?
I'm going. Look, they've got a toy gun. Toy guns. Gun control. And sling slots with BBs. See you later. Thank you, you too. Thank you, have a good day. See you, Diney. See you, Diney. This is a new Dyna by Harley Davidson. They call him Dino. I'm calling him Diney. That's the new Harley Davidson. The new Ultra Dyna. Hey? Kiss, kiss. Well, bit of sad news. David, one of the girls that David looked after, OD'd last night. So we had a bit of a prayer for her. Just makes you see, you know, doesn't matter what you're doing, there's always someone in the group that's suffering, you know. Today David's going to do it a bit hard today. It's ironic, isn't it? I called it David, you know, Suicide David. And, you know, David here, who's let me drive this truck and give me a bike. You know, showing me a new outlook on life, you know, with the Bobhead boys. Oh, there's a train. That's the weather today, people. That's what we've started off in. Oh yeah, so feeling good. We meet Danny today. Danny's going to get a shock when he sees me. So yeah, have a look at this country though. Have a look at it. Sad day to start the day, but you know, it'll get better. Alright, go and get a pie. There. Take care. Now are we? Have a look at this country. Have a look. Go get a pie. Go get a pie. Look at the clouds. Dickheads, these woke fucking idiots, and these people with their own agendas and shit. The heartland of America. Alright, see ya.